In my last review, I mentioned two more films that I was going to review after Pulp Fiction. Now, obviously, it's the fourth and fifth parts to the Quentin Tarantino box set as well, so that's extremely handy. It's Kill Bill Volume 1 first off. So, it stars Uma Thurman as the bride, and she's about to get married, and she gets beaten up by her former gang. But it's not like gangsters gang, it's more like a group of people. It's like it's a kung fu film, it's an action film, and it's extremely violent. There's excellent imagery in it, because some of the scenes it goes into black and white when people get killed, so it looks actually better than it would do in colour. It's extremely violent and bloody. What happens to Uma Thurman throughout the film isn't particularly nice, especially when you find out what had happened. The big shock comes right at the end of the film, but obviously I'm not going to say what that is. It's probably my equal favourite Quentin Tarantino film, along with Kill Bill Volume 2 and Inglourious Basterds. It's one of the most iconic films ever made. It's been spoofed so many times with several different things, with the yellow jumpsuit, with how people get killed, the slow motion, and it probably is one of my favourite Quentin Tarantino films of all time. Now, I'm going to have to give it a 10 out of 10 for the fact that it seems to be completely flawless. There seems to be very few things with it that I can pick out that are wrong. Goes on for the right amount of time, and it keeps you interested in the film, which is an extremely important thing to do. Otherwise, people will just stop watching and they'll get bored.